Here's something you've likely heard of. Widely known for its uses in ancient Greece as a means of execution, its most famous victim was Socrates. Ingestion of even small amounts of this plant, 6 or 8 leaves or even small doses of seeds, causes death by disrupting your body's neuromuscular junctions, resulting in what is known as ascending muscular paralysis. Also known as the suicide tree, this species of tree belongs to the same family as oleander. The seeds of the suicide tree contain a toxin called cerberin, a potent compound capable of disrupting calcium ion channels in the heart muscle, which can lead to irregular heartbeat that is often fatal if the toxin is ingested in high enough quantities. Also called little apple of death. If you brush up against this tree, the white sap it produces is liable to produce a violent allergic reaction on your skin. Standing beneath this tree during a rainstorm will cause any skin that comes in contact with the runoff from the tree to blister. Ingesting the tree's fruit is often fatal, involving nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and seizures. Also known as crab's eye or rosary pea, the seeds are highly poisonous on the account of their abrum content. Abrum is a chemical similar to ricin, which sabotages the body's functions at the cellular level by inactivating ribosomes. The abrum content of just one seed is said to be fatal to humans. Dieffenbachia. Members of the Dieffenbachia family are made up of cells containing microscopic needle-shaped crystals of calcium oxalate and raphides. When the leaves of the Dieffenbachia are chewed, these tiny spears of calcium typically lead to oral irritation, excessive drooling, swelling. In rare cases, however, irritation becomes so severe that the tongue, mouth, throat are effectively immobilized, while tissues become so swollen that the airways are blocked, leading to death. Brugmansia, or angel's trumpet, is a large hanging trumpet flower which can measure up to 50 centimeters long and 35 centimeters wide at their openings. Beautiful as it is, ingestion of this plant contains dangerous levels of chemicals called scopolamine and atropine, and is often fatal if ingested. Also called white snake root, it is so potent that drinking a glass of milk or eating the meat of a cow that has ingested this plant can lead to severe sickness and even death. Back in the 19th century, it became known as milk sickness and is estimated to be responsible for thousands of deaths at that time, including the death of Abraham Lincoln's mother, Nancy Hanks Lincoln. Also known as wolf's bane and devil's helmet, several species of this plant have long been used in preparing poison-tipped arrows for the purposes of hunting and warfare. In humans, accidental ingestion can be fatal. The plant contains approximately named Aconitum neurotoxins and cardiotoxins, which can lead to motor weakness, heart, and lung paralysis. Oleander. This shrub is one of the most dangerous on the list, which is bizarre on the account of how widely it's used as a decorative shrub. Its leaves, flower, and fruit all contain chemicals known as cardiac glycosides, which, while therapeutic in precise doses, can put you in a cardiac arrest if ingested in the wrong dosage. Also known as the castor oil plant. Much like oleander, castor oil plants have been found in houses and gardens all over the world, despite the fact that their seeds are actually very dangerous. So dangerous, in fact, that the plant is the current holder of the Guinness Book of World Records for title for world's most poisonous plant. The seeds harbor an incredible toxic chemical called ricin, a lethal dose is considered to be in the range of 4 to 8 seeds.